guys! This is our vlog. This is a day in our life as a college student. Communication is everywhere.
Yeah. Number one, communication is schema-based. For example, morning planning discussion.
Our class start at 8 a.m.
So, we meet at the gate, right?
Yeah, we always meet there.
Why related? Because they understand each other because of the past experience. Two, communication is interpretive act. For example, reading a message. Why related? It's because each person interprets the message directly.
Number 3, communication does not guarantee an automatic link between words. For example, group project group.
The deadline is today.
Tomorrow.
Communication is active, powerful, and forceful. For example, class discussion.
Number 5, communication is symbolic. For example, using emoji and sign. Symbols show meaning. Communication causes a result. For example, chatting in group chat. Communication causes a result. Number 7, communication is unreadable, irreversible, and unpredictable. For example, saying something wrong.
Oops, I said the wrong thing.
Yes, you can take it back. It's just
8. Communication is contextual. For example, talking to the teacher and friend.
Good morning, sir.
Why related? Because communication changes by situation.
Number 9, communication is development and processing. For example, presentation practice.
I was shy before. Now you speak better.
You improve a lot.
10, communication changes with media and technology. For example, online class.
Let's join the video here.
Technology helps us to communicate.
Media changes how we talk.
Since the